Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent, was good time spent. If that's your intent, oh, 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 Tashkent. Going all around in Tashkent. Yeah, it's Tashkent.
Okay, so we're kind of in this like all these shops. I think they call it the boulevards, but we're actually gonna combine this one with this is Central Park. I think there's gonna be fireworks, which we might not catch, but we're gonna catch it before it gets too dark anyways. Tashkent, Uzbekistan. This particular one, we are going to be, we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, but I'm going to have the city park encircled here in the map, but next to it, there's a boulevards and there's a mall. So they're all one big area. And anyways, let's just get right into it. And we're going to show you around the park predominantly. We'll start at the boulevards right now. And we're going to be going into this little space. You can hear some music already. So we're going to go right into there. We got some light shows at the Tashkent City Park. Looks really cool. Tons of people everywhere. We're going to try to walk in here a little bit, and then we're also going to walk over to there. They have a show, and then we'll just kind of explore the park a little bit in general. So that's the plan for this one, so you get a better idea of Tashkent, Uzbekistan. There's a blogger right there with a big camera. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I think the first thing I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to go across through all these people right here. So we'll try to capture what we can. I think later this will get even busier, so. If I can get through that or not. Let's go around the other side. Okay, so we're gonna go this way, and then we're gonna go across the grass. Then you can also see it's kind of thick grass. They have a show over there. I also want to see that too. But I also want to capture some of this fountain, and there's another view from, I think if I go down that way it'll be easier. So we'll try to capture that a little bit, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to walk into this crowd a little bit, and then we're going to try to get over into that spot where all the people are at. So some people are leaving, some people are staying. So I don't know, I think the timing is, oh, here's the amphitheater. So I think they have some theater plays there. We're gonna walk in and try to see what we can see though. Let me see. I think everybody's leaving. So we're gonna try to walk on in. I think they have lots of shows. So if we can get in there a little bit. You can see all the blueness of the water as well. Yeah, look how blue that is. It's amazing. Oh, this is all right in here.
Дорогие гости, Всех приглашаем в амфитеатр парка Ташкент-Сити, где вас ждет театральная постановка «Новые приключения Аладдина». Время сеансов 20:30 и 21:30. Sayilgohimiz mehmonlari soat 20:30 va 21:30 da Olovuddinning yangi sarguzashtlari.
So there's a security guy, he's kind of telling everybody to get out. So I guess what they do is they let some people get their chance and then other people come in and then there's a new show. So I think that's what they're doing. We're gonna go over there where they have the Daddy Cool. So I think these guys are setting up for the show. Let me walk over here real quick. So later we have an amphitheater here. There's a little sign that says Tashkent all the way down. And then that light show is right on the other side of that. And now we have the show. We're going to try to get closer to it so you can see it. This one too, Salam Tashkent. So we're gonna try to check this out a little bit. Also, kind of gives you an idea just to see like all the joviality, goodwill. Down this one we have some restaurants, central food, and we'll kind of check it all out. Lots of tourist stuff as well here. And then I think we're gonna have more of the light show as well. So we'll kind of give you an idea of all the different stuff happening. Selling balloons, got bubbles. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna walk all the way through, show you what's all here, and then the light show you can hear it to the right, but I can't really see anything. But this goes down that way. There's a parking mall, and then there's a city mall right there. And then that's where part of the light show is at that we started at. Pretty cool. So we're gonna keep on going down this way. Pretty cool. Let's see another ice cream shop. So the ice cream is very popular here. Okay. So we're kind of walking on the periphery part of here. And you can see, I did another video where I went in the mall, so it'll be in the thumbnails at the end of this one. And you can get a taste for that. I think that one I did part of here and part of the mall. There it is right over there. So I think here what we're gonna do, there's more ice cream shops, coffee shops, and we're gonna walk into this part, which is where the water shows are at. So yeah, nice, beautiful park called Tashkent City Park. I think it's relatively new. I started seeing some videos just recently with it, which I didn't see before.
Salam.
Okay. There's the water. It's like really blue. It's like a swimming pool. Yeah, it's so amazing. So there's the mall is over that way, and then I think the pizza place is over here, and then there's like a show over here. You got more waterways over that way as well. It's really beautiful, really nice place. Okay. It's nice. So I think that we kind of started over in that way. So we were basically over that way, and then we came across here, this little park, and now we're gonna go continue on this way. And you can see some like kids stuff for kids. Maybe we should go that way. Yeah, it's nice in here. Let's kind of walk like this. So we could go that way, but we're gonna go towards this waterway, which is directly this way. And there's places you can sit up here as well. Okay. I think another show is gonna start. So I think the shows start maybe every 30 minutes or something like that. Go all the way to the end. See, I think over that's where we started at. Okay. So we're gonna head back this way again. Go back that way. Okay. So we're gonna maybe walk in this way. So kind of interesting. A little slice of Tashkent anyways. So that right there is Tashkent City Mall. So what we're gonna do though is we're gonna walk towards the waterway. There's a, so we're gonna walk down this way. Then you can see all the people down that way. And this will be kind of near the pizza place right there. And we were just like over there just a few minutes ago. So we'll kind of get an idea of this area as well. Okay, let's go all the way down to the end. Oops, sorry. You get a little bit of the sunset as well. You just kind of see. It's really nice. It's also the pizza place as well. All right. And now we're walking directly towards city mall, Tashkent City Mall. There's a photographer there. So that goes right into the mall. I think we're gonna go directly into the mall too. So we'll go that way, just kind of show you. So everybody's coming that way, but I think my video is getting kind of long, so I'll probably come to an end of it. But yeah, pretty cool. Amazing little space. So yeah, Tashkent City Mall and Tashkent City Park, they're adjacent to each other, so you can see. I think it's like kind of reminds me of like Dubai or Petronas Towers in Kuala Lumpur, or the Taj Khalifa, something like that, the one in Dubai. Like just having this big combination of a big beautiful mall. And that mall has a lot of fast food. There's like Wendy's restaurant and Hardee's restaurant, Pizza Hut, like a lot of pizza places, some Japanese places, Chinese places. Yeah, Tashkent City Mall. I can't film in there very easily. I can, but okay. So let's just end this video. All right, hope you like it.